Good morning, this is Sujata here. A very happy Gandhi Jayanti to all of you. Today is Mahatma Gandhiji's birthday, uh, the father of our nation. Through ahimsa, through non-violence, through several hardships, through several humiliations, Gandhiji got the independence for our country from the clutches of British Raj. So from 1947 until today, 2020, how have we been utilizing the freedom that he got for us after so much of hardships? Gandhiji had quoted, "The day a woman can walk freely on the roads at night, that day we can say that India has achieved freedom, independence." He had quoted this long back. Probably the women's situation was very bad that time. And today, after all these years, it's only got worse. Not just in rural areas, all across the country. Whether it is in a village or in a town or in a city or in a metropolitan, whether the person is educated or uneducated, I'm talking about the victims and the culprits. Uh, Things have only got worse. A woman fully clothed, you know, can't even walk freely during daytime. Forget about night. Can't even walk freely during daytime. Scared to walk alone. Even if somebody is accompanying her, it is not really safe for women. Then, where is the question of walking freely during night? See, today being Gandhi Jayanti, what we usually do is garland his statues and have skits and programs in schools. And now being lockdown, probably they will have it online and online tributes for him, songs for him. See, that is all the theoretical tributes we are doing for him. But practically, have we done justice to the freedom that he had got for us? Really? He has got freedom for us from the British. What about our internal freedom? What about the freedom for women? Not just outside, within our own houses. Gandhiji had also quoted this: "There is no occasion for women to consider themselves subordinate or inferior to men. Woman is a companion of man, gifted with equal mental capacity." So, all that I am uh, stressing today on the occasion of Gandhiji's birthday is that we have to make small changes starting right from inside our houses, that we need to respect women, whether it is a girl baby or a teenager or middle-aged women or an old women. We have to respect women. A small change just starting from our own houses, it will take its time. But one fine day, I am very sure women alone can walk freely during daytime and during nights without any fear of harassment or rapes or molestation. Thank you. Jai Hind.